So we've just announced a couple more hands-on tiny house building workshops: North Carolina, Nebraska, and in Massachusetts. RelaxShacks.com for the details on these spring events.
Hi, I'm Shelley.
And I'm Joshua from tinyhousebasics.com, the #1 source for tiny house trailers all over the US.
We are also the authors of Tiny House Basics, Living the Good Life in Small Spaces, which you can find on Amazon.
We want to welcome you today to our 374 square foot tiny house. We're going to take a little tour of our tiny house kitchen, but before that we want to invite you to the upcoming Relax Shacks hands-on tiny house building workshop. It is coming up March 23rd through 25th in Joshua Tree, California. You can sign up on their website at relaxshacks.com. So let's go ahead and take that tour. Coming in through our entryway, we have an 8-foot long bar top, looking out our 8-foot long accordion window. This is where we will eat our meals and do some work and enjoy the beautiful exterior of the tiny house. Going back into the kitchen, we have a 30-inch double basin sink with a commercial style faucet. And in the corner, we have our little spirit corner with a wine rack and glassware holder. Next to that, we have a 24-inch propane stove with all our Finex cast iron cookware hanging above it. And down on the lower right, besides extra storage, we also have a Lazy Susan for our larger pots and pans. And to the left on the lower area, we have our off-grid water tank storage out of view. And to the left, this is the business end of the tiny house kitchen. We have our open shelving for our glassware and cups, fruit baskets, spices, and the most important, the little coffee corner. Next to that, we recently upgraded our refrigerator. This is a 28-inch French door refrigerator. And next to that is our utility closet with our circuit breaker, extra food storage, and other office supplies. And that pretty much covers our tiny house kitchen. So thank you for coming along. For more information on our tiny house and its design and living the tiny life, you can pick up our book on Amazon, Tiny House Basics, Living the Good Life in Small Spaces. Thanks for watching.